Hello, and welcome to English Corner. Article. What is an article? An article is a word that modifies or describes the noun. It is used before the noun to show whether it refers to something specific or not. There are two types of articles in English. Definite article. The car. Indefinite article. An. A cat. An apple. The definite article. The definite article has the same form for singular and plural, and for all genders. The boy is at home. The windows are open. The definite article is used before nouns which are considered unique, the only one. The sun. Before a noun that is particularized by a relative clause. This is the boy who broke my window. Before a noun followed by a prepositional phrase. The capital of France. When the noun has already been mentioned or it is well known. Yesterday I saw a film. The film was very interesting. Before a singular noun used as a representative of a class. The elephant is a big animal. Before names of persons to particularize a certain person. The Mike I'm talking about is not my friend. Before names of rivers, seas, oceans, mountain ranges and deserts, always in capitals. The Rocky Mountains. Before names of shops, hotels, buildings, institutions, ships, trains, aeroplanes. The White House. Before names of musical instruments, the violin, the guitar, the drums, the flute, the piccolo. She plays the piano. Before names of nationalities to refer to a group as a whole. The English people eat muffins. Before superlatives and ordinal numbers, the best, the longest, the second, the last, the most interesting. The indefinite article. A is used before consonant sounds. A boy. A girl. And is used before vowel sounds or before a mute H. An apple. An hour. The indefinite article can be used only with singular countable nouns, irrespective of their gender. Incorrect, he has a strong legs. Correct, he has strong legs. The indefinite article is used when a countable noun is mentioned for the first time. I looked out of the door and I saw a cat. Before a singular countable noun used as a representative of a whole class. A driver is a person who drives a car. Before a noun in apposition, when the person or thing is considered to be unfamiliar. Mike, a friend of mine, saw the film. Before a noun preceded by as. He gave me the book as a present. With the meaning the same. The cats are much of a size. With few and little. We have a few friends here. She has a little money to spare. when you want to classify people in terms of their origin, she is a Mexican. Their occupation, I am an engineer. Their religion, she is a Catholic. Their politics, she is a Republican. The zero article. The zero article is used before abstract nouns used in a general sense: life, death, freedom, love, hate. Most people fear death. But, if the reference is made to a certain abstract nouns, they are preceded by the death of this man saddened us very much. Before names of materials used in a general sense: milk, bread, butter, coffee, gold, snow. Coffee is very expensive. But the coffee you bought yesterday was very expensive. Before plural nouns used in a general sense: books are very interesting. But the books you lent me are very interesting. Before names of meals used in a general sense: we have breakfast every morning. But the breakfast we had yesterday morning was delicious. Before names of languages: Mike speaks English. Before the nouns cape, lake, Mount Everest. Before names of days, months, seasons, holidays: February is the shortest month of the year. Before names of subjects, sciences: my sister studies physics. Before such nouns as cook, nurse, teacher when they have the meaning are cook, teacher. Teacher is going to give us a test. Before nouns in their possessive case or before a possessive adjective: Jane's hat is red. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.